Okay, so the last video is going to be here on simple interest. Simple interest is where you are finding out the amount of money versus like for interest amount over a period of years based off of a certain percentage that your interest account is on. So here, Carla deposited $400 in her account at 5% interest. After 5 years, how much interest will she earn? So how much interest? We only want to know the amount of interest that she's going to earn. Remember, this is going to be set up as interest is equal to the principal, which in this case, principal is how much she's got deposited. That's $400 times the rate, R. Remember, the rate is always going to be your percentage over 100. So we're going to do 5 over 100. It's 5% over 100. It's always your percent over 100. And then times your time, T, the number of years. So we're going to multiply 400 times 5 out of 100 and then times 5. And that's going to come out to $100. So your interest is $100. That's all they want. They only wanted interest in this case, just the interest. For here, same situation or similar situation, Bill has $5,000 loan at 3.5% interest. And after 2 years, how much total will he have paid? That is different. This one wants the total amount. That's different than just finding the interest amount. Total amount means you would then take your interest and add it to the principal. So we have to find interest first. So interest again is going to equal the principal P, which is in this case $5,000 that he was loaned, times the rate R, so that's your percentage over 100. You always need to put it over 100, so 3.5 over 100, and then times T, the amount of time in years. So this was 2 years. Okay, so we're going to multiply 5,000 times 3.5 over 100 times 2, and that's going to equal the interest. Okay, 5,000 times 3.5 over 100 times 2, and that's going to come out to 350. That's just the interest. We don't want just the interest. We want the total. So that means we're going to take the interest of $350 and we're going to add it with the principal of $5,000. So when we add those together, that's going to equal our total. And our total is going to come out to $5,350. That's the total. So again, you have to read those questions carefully. Are they wanting just the interest or are they wanting the total amount?